afternoon, and welcome to the Target Zone. Before I get started, get into this chart here about Lending Club, I want to touch on a couple of things that was covered with Chairman Powell at the inflation. He did say if inflation has declined, and he also said that it had come to a time to adjust the policy, and the inflation on path to 2%. That inflation is much lower to the objective that I guess he decided what it needed to go to. Said the labor market was down from being overheated. It was almost back to the pre-pandemic, and he said we are not seeking for the down cooling, and he said it's time for a rate cut. So me personally, during that time of the pandemic when the rates were high, I bought a rental property during that time. I know I shouldn't have did it, and the interest rate was sort of high. But I guess now that tells me that I should, once the interest rates do happen to move, that I probably would take that property and refinance it at a shorter time and probably pay pretty much the same thing for it. And that's one of my things. These also, they covered the home builders, and with the low rates, how would it affect the home builders? Because it said that the mortgage rates will decline, and right now that it's at a downward trend. Right now, 30-year mortgage is a little bit below 7%, 6.46%, and the 15-year was a little above 15%, a little above 15%. And it said that 739,000 new homes that were built in July. So those are some of my takes out of what he talked about this morning. And if you guys have anything had any other takeaways from it, put it in the comment section and let me know. Ask some questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, now let's jump into the Lending Club. Now I already charted out the Lending Club. If you look at my chart here, that it's still on a uptrend. That this high, this low, and it's still on an uptrend here. Now I covered this stock back down here in this area when the price line was in the $10 and some change area, and I told you guys that it was on the uptrend, and now it has continued on the uptrend. And now what I'm looking at, the stock is at $12.48 right now. And the thing is about it, that the analysis is talking about that this stock will be is the target price is 13. It's a little over $13. Also, I'm looking at projections. They're looking at it to go up over $15. So just something for you. Some people, it's just something for you to look at. Is cause, like I say, it might not be an opportunity for you to buy options on it, but I look at it as an opportunity to buy a stock that was at a low price, which it is a common stock that was at a low price, because like I bought into it when it was a little over $10. I bought into it, and now it has jumped up to a little over $12 now, and now it's at $12.48. So the stock is moving pretty good. It's at a right now open market. It's a 5.67%, and over the past 3 months, up until the 23rd, which is today, it's at a 38.98% in the stock. So this is what I'm looking at right here. Earnings. The earnings is October the 30th, and so hopefully this stock is building momentum for the October 30th earnings announcement. And right now, the last earnings, the EPS was a 0.130, and it was forecast at a 0.039. the EPS surprise was a plus 225%. 225%. And the last earnings was July 30th of 2024. So when you look at this, the EPS in the revenue, which the total revenue was at 187.24 million. The consensus revenue, the forecast was 177 million. So the surprise was a plus 5.77%, and that was the last earnings, which was July of 24. Right now, it's saying that in my prediction, it's saying that it's a buy, and actually, it's a strong buy right now. So, like I say, just sharing a little information with you about this stock. LC, which that's the ticker symbol, is Linden Club Corporation. It's a common stock. So if you have any questions, comment in the comment sections, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And you guys have a good day.